Hi there, and today we're going to have a Clickup Permissions tutorial. So here I am in the Clickup website, and then from here, make sure you already have account, and then let's go to the Clickup workspace. So from here, I'm just going to click Login, and here is my Clickup workspace. And then what you can do is that you can assign different permissions to your team members right here in Clickup. So you can do it in different ways. You can have your permissions right here in the space hierarchy. You can also have it on the folders. You can also have it on the actual project, and then you can also have it on the tasks. So the difference is that you can assign guests to the tasks right here, your projects, and to your folders, but you cannot add a guest in your space. So for example, if I want to have permissions to this project right here, I can just click share, and then this window will appear. You can also just go to your project, go and click the three dots, and then click sharing and permissions. And then from here, you can assign your permissions to your different team members. So for example, you can assign if a team member has full edit permissions, which means that they can do everything like create tasks, edit list settings, and delete the lists. So if you grant a user the edit permission, they can only edit task and list settings, but they cannot create or delete the list. For comments, just as it says, the user can just comment, and then the assignees can set task status, but they cannot list settings. And then for view only, so they cannot do anything. So they can just view all of the tasks that you have in your project. And then you can also just assign if you want the team members to have different settings. But the best practice is that for all of your team members, you need to have, or it is recommended that they only have edit permission so that they cannot delete your workspace. So from here, if you want to do that, you need to upgrade to unlimited plan. Where to do that, since I'm just using the free plan. But you can also just go ahead and change the default permission right here, and then you still need to have the unlimited plan. And then if you want to go to a certain task, for example, let's say this new task, you can also click share right here, and then the same window will appear. And then you can also see the different members right here, and then same thing, you can also assign them to different permissions, but you need to have the unlimited plan. And then if you want to invite another user, you can just type in their email right here. So for example, I'll type in a sample email.com, and then you can invite them as a member where they can access all public items in your workspace. You can invite them as a limited member, which can only access items shared with them. You can invite them as a guest, so they can't use all the features or be added to spaces. They can only access the items shared with them. And then you can also invite them as an admin, where they can manage spaces, people, billing, and other workspace settings. You can also create custom rules right here if you want to have some more customization on what your guests or your users can do. But you also need to have the Business Plus plan. And then from here, you can just do the same thing to your projects. And then you can do it right here to your folder, where you can assign different permissions. And then the only difference is that when you go right here to your space, you can't add them as a guest right here. So you can only add them as a limited member or admin or a member. And then going back, you still have the same settings right here where you can edit their permissions right here. And then what you can also do is that you can also just copy the private link for your space or for your tasks so that you don't need to enter their email right here anymore. So maybe you have like a direct message to them, so you can just send the private link. And then that is it. So those are the permissions right here in ClickUp. So I hope you learned how to use them, and thank you for watching.